हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। इसमें हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 6 है गोइंग ऑन। इसमें हमारे 7 लेक्चर हो गए हैं। ये लेक्चर आपका 8th लेक्चर ऑन दिस चैप्टर 6 ट्रायंगल्स फ्रॉम NCERT बुक। वी हैव डन हियर इन द 7 lectures exercise 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3 up to question number 7 and theorems, Thales theorem, converse of Thales theorem and criteria of similar triangles and some truth statement theorems, which statements are there, proof is not in syllabus. Okay, so that SAS, AA and SSS, these theorems also using, these are the similarity criteria, similarity theorems, okay, on triangles. So now today we have to go forward question number 8 to 12. Now what is question number 8? Question number 8 is E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. यानी ABCD इज ए पैरेललोग्राम गिवन। तो गिवन ABCD इज ए पैरेललोग्राम गिवन ABCD is a parallelogram. This is given, okay, and produced side AD, E point is there on produced AD. E point is there such that BE intersect to CD at F. Intersect to CD at F. This is given. So that ABCD is a parallelogram in figure. Okay. To prove or show that, what we have to show that कि triangle ABE triangle ABE, see in figure, triangle ABE similar triangle CFB. We have to prove, and this triangle full or this triangle, we have to prove these are similar. Now proof. In the proof, in these two triangles, in triangle ABE, this triangle ABE and triangle CFB. In these two triangles, what we have? Angle A of the triangle ABE is equal to angle C of the triangle CFB. Why these angle equal? Opposite angle of parallelograms are equal. Okay, parallelogram given. So angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Okay, reason opposite angles of parallelogram ABCD. रीजन हो गया क्लियर. सेकेंड पॉइंट, चेक हियर. Triangle ABE and CFB, angle this angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. Why these angle equal? This B and this F in triangle CFBF. These are alternate interior angle because AB parallel to DC and BFE is a transversal line. So angle ABE equal angle CFB. Why? Because these are alternate interior angle. Reason, alternate interior angles AB parallel DC, BFE is transversal. BFE is a transversal line. Okay. This region, alternate interior angle. So triangle ABE similar triangle CFB by a similarity. By a similarity. Done. Hence proved. ये हमें प्रूव करना था. Okay. Hence proved. Similarly, forward, next question, question number 9. Okay. In NCERT book, these are easy questions, everything given. Some properties of the some figures, as here parallelogram property used, okay, alternate interior angle used. So like this, some properties which we know, okay, and then any criteria of similar triangles will be proved. Okay, question number 9. In question 9, figure given, okay, yes, figure in question number 9, these two triangles ABC and AMP both are right triangle. Angle B here 90 degree in right triangle ABC, and in right triangle AMP angle M is 90 degree. These given two right triangles, okay, at B and M respectively. Prove that this is given. Two right triangle A B ABC and AMP. Okay, these given two right triangles means at any angle B equal to 90 degree, given and angle M also 90 degree. Right triangle at M and at B. This given. Show that first part, triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. Triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. Second part, this is first part which we have to prove. Second part is CA upon PA CA upon PA is equal BC upon MP. BC upon MP. Simple. Proof very simple. A similarity. देखो triangle ABC angle B 90 degree and triangle AMP angle M 90 degree. So prove in triangle ABC and triangle AMP in these two triangles angle B is equal angle M. Y equal 90 degree is given. This 90 degree given. Okay, right triangle at B and M. Clear? Second point, triangle ABC angle A, triangle ABC angle A and triangle AMP angle A, same angle, common angle. You see, so angle A in triangle ABC equal angle A, same angle in triangle AMP, common. Okay, so by AA similarity, by A similarity, triangle ABC similar triangle AMP. Okay, done. Hence proved first part. First part proved. Second part, if two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportionally. So we have to say corresponding sides are proportionally. So this implies corresponding sides of these two triangles which proved here in first part, ABC and AMP. What is these two sides? AB upon AM is equal to CA upon PA equal to CB upon PM. Okay? BC upon MP. Corresponding parts, according to corresponding vertices, we should write. So this implies CA upon PA equal BC upon MP. Hence proved. Second part also. So like this we can prove. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Understand the given thing. Figure understand what is given. Okay? And then check here which criteria of the similar triangle will be used, that you should write. Okay? So be careful about the given things. What are given? Now next question. Question number 10. What is in question number 10? Question 10 also. Here question is given. In question number 10, these two triangles ABC and FEG, in these CD and GH are the angle bisector. Angle bisector means these are equal angles. ये इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया है. ठीक है. एंगल बाइसेक्टर. Bisector means equal parts of the both that. Okay, respectively in the triangle ABC and FEG. Okay, this is given. Prove that respectively. If one more thing given, and triangle ABC, similar triangle FEG. These also similar triangle given. Show that first part CD upon GH equal AC upon FG. second part, this is first part, second part, triangle DCB, similar triangle HGE. Okay, this third part, triangle DCA, third part, triangle DCA, similar triangle HGF. These three parts we have to prove. Now, first you see CD upon GH, एक साइड इस ट्रायंगल की एक इसकी, AC अपॉन FG, AC अपॉन FG, इसका मतलब ACD एंड FGH इन ट्रायंगल फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूफ. In first part, proof in triangle ACD and triangle FGH. ACD, this triangle and this triangle, in these two triangles, observe that what is given according to that, these two triangles are similar, means corresponding angles are equal. So in these two triangles, what we have to take angle ACD is equal to this angle is equal to angle FGH, Why? Because angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. कैसे एंगल है? सिमिलर ट्रायंगल के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल है. बिकॉज ट्रायंगल ACB सिमिलर ट्रायंगल FGE गिवन. ये गिवन है ट्रायंगल, तो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल इक्वल है, तो इनके हाफ हाफ कर दिए, हाफ इक्वल हो जाएंगे. एंड दिस वाई इक्वल, because this is the half of this half of, so we can say half of angle ACB will be equal to half of angle FGE. हाफ हाफ इक्वल होंगे. ओके, और हाफ इक्वल हैं तो इसकी वैल्यू हाफ की क्या बन गई? एंगल ACD इज इक्वल टू हाफ दिस angle FGH. Why? Because given angle bisector. Angle bisector given. Angle bisector given. Reason this. So then this point is clear. Okay. Now second is angle A equal to angle F. corresponding angle of the similar triangle. Angle A is equal to angle F. Corresponding angle of similar triangle. Similar triangle A B C, similar triangle F E G. Given. Second point, this similar triangle corresponding angle हो गए. So these two angles are equal. So by angle similarity, triangle AC, triangle ACD, similar triangle FGH. Okay, so this implies corresponding sides are proportionally. So corresponding CD upon GH, CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Hence proved. ये corresponding sides of the two similar triangles are proportionally. Done. Now after that, second part, same you can do. See, in second part, what we have to do, triangle DCB. Okay, triangle DCB. See in the figure, triangle DCB. This triangle DCB, similar triangle HGE. This also same procedure. This is the half of full, this is the half of full equal to full, and B equal to E, corresponding. Then by AA, same. Second part, similar you can do. Third part, triangle DCA, similar HGF. These two triangles similar. We have done in first part. Again same thing, these two triangles. We can do same thing. Half of the full equal to half of the full equal to full, and A equal to F. So by A similarity, these both triangles are also similar. Okay, so these are easy to do, and the main thing was half of the angle G and half of angle full C are these given. So these will be equal because full angle C equal to full angle D, corresponding angles of the similar triangle ABC and FEG. That's why. Another corresponding angle A equal to angle F. Okay, and similarly angle B equal to angle E for the second part. Done. Okay, now next question number 11. Yes, now question 11. What is question 11? You see question 11. Question 11 is one figure given here, triangle ABC. Produce of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. Isosceles triangle AB C, AB is equal to AC. A, B, C. AB equal to question number 11. In figure, triangle ABC such that AB side is equal to AC side, isosceles. This given. Okay. After that, saying if AD perpendicular BC is a point on side CB, E is a point. AD perpendicular BC, AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC given and EF perpendicular AC. EF on AC. EF perpendicular on AC. EF (90°) is prove that triangle ABD, these are given. What given? This equal. After that what given? AD perpendicular on BC, comma EF perpendicular on AC. Okay, this given. Prove that given. Prove that triangle ABD see in figure triangle ABD, this triangle ABD similar ECF, similar triangle ECF. This proof proof easy to prove given thing in these two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle ECF. In these two triangles ABD and ECF फिगर में देखो, ओके, इनमें दोनों में क्या है, एंगल एक 90 डिग्री परपेंडिकुलर, एंगल ABD में एंगल D 90 डिग्री, एंगल D इज इक्वल टू ट्रायंगल ECF में एंगल F इज इक्वल टू ईच 90 डिग्री, गिवन परपेंडिकुलर, ओनली गिवन वी कैन राइट, परपेंडिकुलर गिवन है, ओके, बोथ 90 डिग्री। सेकेंड पॉइंट देखो ध्यान से, सेकेंड पॉइंट क्या है, इन ट्रायंगल ABD एंगल B एंड इन ट्रायंगल ECF में एंगल C इक्वल हैं। क्यों? एंगल B is equal to angle C. Why? Because AB equal to AC. Because AC side is equal to AB side. And we know, given, we know what? Okay, opposite angles of equal sides are equal. In a triangle, opposite angles of equal sides are equal. ये ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ इक्वल साइड्स आर इक्वल, ये ऑपोजिट एंगल है, एंगल B इज द ऑपोजिट एंगल ऑफ AC साइड, एंगल C इज द ऑपोजिट एंगल ऑफ साइड AB एंड AB इक्वल टू AC गिवन. सो दीज टू पॉइंट्स क्लियर. सो ट्रायंगल, सो बाय AA similarity by AA similarity triangle ABD similar triangle ABD similar triangle ECF. टू कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल हमने कर दिया, D F के है तो D लास्ट में है, F लास्ट में हो गया, B जो है C के है, B मिडल में है, C मिडल हो गया. corresponding order of the corresponding angle which are equal, name of the triangle in the order I told. This is the backbone of this chapter, to write the name of the two similar triangle according to the corresponding angles are equal. Name in that order of the name of triangle must be written. So we can say this, hence proved. ओके बेटा, यही प्रूव करना था हमें. नाउ क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. ओके, नाउ question number 12. Question number 12. Yes, now question 12. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangle. In these two triangle, what is given? AD and PM are medians. AD and PM are medians of the triangle ABC and PQR. And what given? कि AB side PQ के corresponding, BC side QR corresponding side, and AD and PM median are proportionally given. So this given, okay, these things given. In the question, according to this, show that, or to prove what we have to prove triangle AB, question number 12, triangle ABC, triangle ABC, full triangle ABC, triangle question 12, triangle ABC similar PQR. ये हमें प्रूव करना है, ठीक है, ध्यान दें। तो इसके लिए क्या करें कि गिवन थिंग है, इसका यूज कर लें, ओके, गिवन थिंग का यूज करें। व्हाट इज गिवन थिंग? गिवन थिंग इज AB prove AB upon PQ equal BC upon QR equal AD upon PM. Given. So what we can do? Median divides into two equal parts, opposite side. Definition of median: D is midpoint of BC and M is midpoint of QR, because AD and PM are median. So according to that, we can put AD is median. So BC we can write twice BD. BC के प्लेस पर twice BD we can write AB upon PQ equal BC. What we can write BC? Twice BD, because D is midpoint. So double of BD will be BC. So twice BD we can write, and QR, similarly QR we can write at the place QR की value double of QM, because QM is the half of QR. So at the place QR, what we can write? Double of QM. Double of QM will be QR. Is equal to, as it is, AD upon PM. 2 से 2 cancel. Then you check this. These all three sides of the triangle ABD and PQM. ABD and PQM, all these three sides तो similar हो गई हैं. These so triangle ABD similar triangle PQM by SSS similarity. डन। क्लियर, तीनों साइड्स हो गई है। अब जब ये सिमिलर होगी तो एंगल बी इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू हो गया। सो दिस इम्प्लाइज एंगल बी इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू। ठीक है जी, ओके जी। अब देन दिस इज द नंबर 1, ठीक है। एंड फ्रॉम हेयर, फ्रॉम गिवन क्या है, ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू बी सी अपॉन क्यू आर। गिवन, दिस इज गिवन एंड इक्वेशन 1। तो दोनों से क्या रिजल्ट बना, टू साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल इंक्लूडेड एंगल्स इक्वल इन द टू ट्राइंगल ए बी सी एंड पी क्यू आर। एंगल बी इज इक्वल टू एंगल क्यू एंड टू साइड्स corresponding two sides are proportionally AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR given hence by SAS similarity triangle ABC similar triangle PQR done, hence proved, done. So like this we can do easy, understand the question and follow the rules and do that. Okay, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the videos to the maximum contact and say them कि कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट ज़रूर लिखें और आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी उसका फीडबैक ज़रूर भेजें। थैंक यू। ओके।